That's alright, we're not going to judge.
G'day YouTube, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be changing some interior. Now, I haven't showcased the car yet, but I ordered some new interior hand grabs, and it's only because this is so cracked and crap, so I'm going to go through each door, change what I can over to the new eBay solution. I'll pop a link down below, but this came online and it's yeah, it's an awesome replacement for that. I mean, I like the OEM bit here, but that's had its days. So starting with the passenger door, I'm just going to get in here and just put a screwdriver in. Just trying to be careful here. Oop, gotta be careful here. Gotta zoom out a bit. There you go. See how we go there. And I'm not trying to break any plastic here, but I am going to pry it out with my screwdriver, and eventually just the hands. Right, so that sounded very probably going to use my drill for this. I'll be back. With this, you want to get the two big Phillips in there, and there's 1, 2, 3 small Phillips holding it in. You might even need a magnet for this. That's out. It's 1, 2, 3. Right, so there's 3 small screws. Oop, I'm going to show it there, and 2 bigger ones. It's a bit dark there, so, and then you're left with a hole in your heart, but not really. So it's going to look somewhat like that. Yeah, it's going to have the new plastic in there. So yeah, I'm just going to do the whole thing. Right, pop the screwdrivers back in. Right, then it's a matter of pressing in the new door grab handles. So there you go. So that's on now. That's new, and it's not as nice as the OEM one, but you know what? It beats the old crackly thing. So if you really want, you can sand that back, paint it to make it nice again. So good to keep for another project. But yeah, all the doors should look the same, so I'll cut back and cut back again when I need to do the driver's side. Right, so the driver's door, doesn't matter which side it's on, you have to pop the cover off, like so. The door grab comes off, like so, and you have a bit of a button here. Yep, but go off. Yep. Alright, so I've got that off. Now I just want to remove the back button plate, like so. Yep. It's one. Two. And I believe there's only three, so. And three. Right, so transfer this over, transfer that over to that one. There's one, start one there. Right, that's all transferred, and now you want to, I'll do a reveal in a sec. Right, there you go. So now, pop that down. That's in. Last part. Ow. Just to match it up with the little cover. Okay, hang on. Whew, alright, 20-minute job, but that is heaps nicer now. And yeah. Show you the finished product. Now it looks how it's meant to. That's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos.